Hope you all doing good. Sorry for the delay response or not responding your message, mail, and calls. The thing is, there is some problem created due to late acceptance by your Bits Bilani. Okay, so the main thing is, see, last year we got approval from the student August 5th. Okay, before August 5th only. So we had a time almost 1.5 months to create a midsem report, along with that some prototype to show. But this time we have done with the report part. Okay, I will explain it. And in software installation part, I have attached one video into that Node.js you have to install. Okay, because all application, it's an AI based application, so we have built by using React technology. Okay, and that's why I have attached one video how to install the Node.js. You have to download that software and you have to show this is how we have done with the software installation part. Okay, please watch that video. So here, come to the documentation part. I have created this presentation thing. If you want, I mean, I will also attach this in your mail. You can have a look. So come to the report part. We have done with the first 50% of the documentation. So that is nothing but a introduction chapter, literature survey, SRS, and the design phase. So introduction chapter is nothing but it's all about your project, the idea, the outline which you have submitted. So literature survey in the sense, so which are the paper you refer to develop the project that we have mentioned. Okay, so you can just read it, you will get to know. So overall author implemented different application concerned to your idea. Okay, you can have a look, you will get to know. And come to the SRS is nothing but a software requirement specification. So here we mentioned what are all the tools and technology we're going to use, what are the functionality should add in your project. All the information we have mentioned clearly. Okay. Come to the design phase. We have mentioned how data should flow, how architecture is should be there, how sequentially activity going to happen, how activity diagram. I mean, like once you start the activity, how it ends. That also we have mentioned. And for some of people, we have given a ER diagram also for the database purpose. Okay. For some of the people, we didn't add because we won't use any database. We just integrate the AI model to run the project. Okay. So this is about the documentation part. So you have to explain. I have done with the first 4 chapter of the documentation part, and I have installed the required software to development my project. So that is nothing but a the Node.js. That watch that video, you will get to know. Okay, and come to the the status of your project to show. For all, we are using a Supabase as a database. Okay, so that's also provide a SQL server to run. I will show how to open the Supabase. Okay, for the backend purpose we have used to store a data or information, we have used this one. I will show how to register with the Supabase. You just click Supabase, you will get this link, just click on it, you just sign in, start the project. So you have to sign in with this. So what I will do, I will just sign in. Okay, so you have to sign in properly. So you first you sign up, enter your email ID and enter your password, any password you can enter, and click on sign up. So you will get a one confirmation mail. Okay, so you have to confirm this one. So once you confirm, it will take you to dashboard. Here you just create a new organization, you can just give your project name, anything. Okay, you just plan, you can put free only, type personal only, create organization. So like this it will come. You have to give the database password also, so you can generate randomly or else you can give new database. So once you create the organization, you have to create a new project. Here you can enter any name, project name. If you want, you can put any project name. I'm just giving, and create a database password and click a create a new project. So once it's done, you will have a access to use a PostgreSQL, okay, for the data storage purpose. You can show I have created a setup for the database purpose. I have used a Supabase framework. In that we can able to access PostgreSQL. So there you can write a SQL query to create a database and table and all the thing. Okay. For the installation purpose, you just show I have done till this setup part. Okay, show node.js installation part and the database part. You can show this one also. And so to create some interface in your project for the front end HTML, to create a web page, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript. So to create this one, I will guide you, I will show you one trick how you can able to create a home page, login page and the registration page code. And you can open that one and you can show to your guide, this is the thing we have done till now, like that. Okay, so I will guide you how to create an interface. So just go to bolt.ai, or just create bolt dot, so not AI, bolt.new. So you will get this option. You can go with, you can open this and you have to create a sign in with Google. If you have a Google account, you can sign in Google, or else you can create a username and password by giving your email ID. So once you create the bolt, so bolt, it's a one of the tool that will help you to create a web apps with some with the help of AI. Okay, so once you go to the bolt, so you just, what you have to do, just go to ChatGPT. You have to log in and you have to open the chat. So simply you just put your midsem report which we have sent. Okay, you just upload and ask, give prompt to create home page, login and register. Okay, in bolt dot new. So it will give you some information. Okay, it will consider, I mean, it will access your project information and give you one prompt. Okay, so what you have to do, you just copy and paste into bolt.ai. So since it's a free account, so you can able to create only these 3 pages. That's it. Okay, so why I'm giving this information is nothing but you have to show some code and other stuff, right? So that's why. Okay, you can follow this one. You will easily get the coding part done in a faster way. For midsem purpose, you can follow this one. Okay, for the final, we're going to connect with each person. We will install the actual code in your laptop and also guide you how to run the project and how to explain the coding part and all the thing. Okay, for now you just follow what all thing I have set. Okay, so once you click, once you log in and once you put the prompt, it will take some time. You have to wait. So it will take some time, okay, to create those code. um So you have to manage by explaining. So these interface I have done. I'm working on the next the functionality part, the integration of OpenAI API. I will also show how to, I mean, if in case if I mentioned any OpenAI API or Google API, I will guide you how to get that one. You have to follow that instruction, that's it. But to get OpenAI API we have to pay, but I have already done. I mean, we have our own API part, dashboard and part, so I will get from that. So you don't need to worry about that one. But I will show you the website URL. You just follow to show. If in case if they ask, show the OpenAI API key where you got, like that. So to follow, or else you can also Google how to use OpenAI API for web application. You just Google and get to know more about the functionalities. So it may help to while explaining to your guide. Okay, it will take maximum 15 to 20 minutes. If you spend with the ChatGPT also, it will also teach. So you just ask how to use OpenAPI, what is the purpose, or else you just put your report and you can just ask any question that will answer. Okay, for now, for the midsem purpose only, I'm just guiding you guys, because as I said, we got confirmation the less days, so we can't able to implement 8 weeks of working within 15 days. Okay, so once it's done, uh, I mean, it will ask, if in case if it will ask, just click attempt to fix if you got any error, or else you can able to find the interface sector only. So here in the, if you see coding part, it's all created. Okay, the registration page code, the login page code, and the home page code. Okay, you can just click on it, export, just download it, go to this file. You can just show this code. This part is done till now. Okay, if you open the code, so you can able to see the information. Okay, so once you download, see, these are the coding part. So just open, just right click it and open with the text editor which one you have. For example, if you have a notepad plus plus, so you can open that one. You can see the coding part of your home page. Similarly for all file, home page, login page, and registration page. Okay, and also the follow the Node.js installation in another video. You can how you can able to run the your project which you have generated by using Bolt. Once you export, you will get the zip file, right? So once you export the zip file, you have to extract it. Right click, extract, open this one, and just open this. You will get the home page, login page, registration page. Okay, so simple. So go to ChatGPT, drop your midsem report, and write the prompt. I have attached it in the mail. You can just see that. Just put it, so you'll get the bold prompt. Copy this one and go to bold and paste it in the new chart. Okay, or else in the chart, so it will create. Wait some time. Once it create, once it's all the thing is done, go to here and export, download. So once you download the zip file, you can extract it and you can show the source code. That's it. Okay, and follow the Node.js video also, so you'll get to know how to run that with the Node.js. Or else you can just show the the interface by opening the home page, index page, and login and registration. Along with that, Supabase also you can show this. I am using for the the database purpose. Okay, you can show this window also. Okay, so Bolt, Supabase, and the software installation part, and the report. You can just submit again. Next I will let you know. Thank you.